Om Jnana Timirandhasya Jnanam Jana Shalakaya Chakshur Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Culture, he had some culture. He's famous as Data Karma. He had the idea to give in charity. Jarasandha also was giving in charity. He's famous. He followed the Vedic principles. Still he's considered a demon because he was inimical to Vishnu. But he had the idea to serve the Brahmanas. Here how Bali Maharaj became powerful by following his guru Shukracharya and performing sacrifices. By pleasing the Brahmanas, they became powerful enough to conquer the heavenly planets because they were blessed by Brahma Shakti, Brahma Teja, the power of the Brahmanas. So some culture was there. And that I was saying, even in the modern age you'll find the modern demons, Mayavadis, they don't fight with the Supreme Lord directly, try to kill him, but they try to kill him by an indirect process, by saying he has no legs, no hand, no form, no mouth, he doesn't say anything, he doesn't exist. In this way they try to kill him by Mayavad. But often you'll find even Mayavadis, by behavior, just apart from the one crucial fact that they don't accept Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, which spoils everything else. But in their general behavior, they're often very cultured, often more so than you'll find many Mayavadis who in their behavior are more cultured than many devotees. It's a fact, at least according to my pratyaksha, personal experience. So, we can imagine that in the family of Bali Maharaj, he's surrounded by so many different people, so they would offer respect to him. Maharaj. That's the regular demons. And his family members would be kind and affectionate to him, and they would serve him. So in this way, they would get benefit because he's a great devotee. Indirectly, just like Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He thought to take sannyas. Why should he take sannyas? He's the Supreme Lord. What business has he got to do? Why should he take sannyas? What has he got to give up? He can't give up anything. He can't give up the whole world anyway because it belongs to him. How is he going to give up? He is the master and the controller of everything. What is the meaning to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taking sannyas? Why does he take a guru? Why does Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, why does Krishna take a guru when he already knows everything? He is the object of knowledge himself. That's why you'll find Krishna took a guru just to show everyone should take a guru. Nowadays we have some people who are saying, well, you don't have to take a guru. And you just imagine some guru. Krishna himself personally took a guru and was personally instructed. In 64 days he learned all the 64 arts. Learn means he already knows, because he is the ocean of knowledge. Sandipani Muni is like the cloud who has collected water, again rained back on the ocean. But at the end of his learning, Sandipani Muni said to Krishna, he blessed him. See, Krishna is being blessed by his guru. He blessed him that whatever you say will be exactly perfect and will remain extant in human society forever. Prabhupada comments that because of the blessing of his guru, the Bhagavad Gita is still accepted today. Because of that. Similarly, Lord Chaitanya took Keshav Bharati as his sannyas guru. His Diksha guru was Ishvara Puri. He took sannyas from Keshav Bharati. Keshav Bharati was superficially a Mayavadi. So actually Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he said to him, is this the mantra you're going to give me? And he spoke it to him. In this way he initiated him. And afterwards Keshav Bharati superficially initiated Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So in this way he already knows everything. But he accepts a guru to follow the Vedic observances. Similarly, even among the demons, they follow all the observances. So, Bali Maharaj, by living with his family, he could purify them. Otherwise, what hope is there for them? If they're simply demons, who is going to deliver them? That Krishna states in Gita that those who are demoniac, mudha janmani janmani, they just go down and mama pratyaiva come for you. They don't attain me. So I was discussing this one yesterday, the Madhvas. They say that, Madhva Sampradaya say, see, Krishna says they all go to hell forever, no hope. But Prabhupada explains in the purport that even though Krishna says this, the devotees of the Lord are more merciful than the Lord himself. Because the Lord, he simply says, okay, you go to hell. The devotees say, they try to preach to them, try to save them. Practically this is the meaning of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's coming to this world. There are different purposes of Lord Chaitanya's coming. That's stated in Chaitanya Charitamrita, that he came to relish the devotional feelings of Srimati Radharani towards himself. He came to relish his own sweetness by taking the form of his devotee. But practically he doesn't have to come to this world to do that. He can do that in the spiritual world also. So why does he come? Practically the main reason he comes is to give Krishna consciousness to others. That is the main purpose of the Krishna consciousness movement. Sometimes there is a disagreement among followers of Lord Chaitanya as to what is the meaning of this verse. Sri Chaitanya Mano Bhishtam Sthatikam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadama Yam Dadati Swapadantikam. This is praying to Rupa Goswami. When will Rupa Goswami Prabhupada, who has established within this world the inner feelings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when will he show his mercy to me? So what are these inner feelings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? So some say that, well, Rupa Goswami came to establish what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's inner feelings, the feelings of conjugal love and separation from Krishna. So that's also true. But Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur explained that the inner feelings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu are Priti Gite Achitata Nagara Vikram Savaka Prachapre Devana. The Krishna consciousness be spread to every town and village in the world. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's desire is that everyone take up Krishna consciousness. So that is the purpose of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's taking sannyas. Why did he take sannyas? There's no reason for him to take sannyas. But he took sannyas thinking that, well, all these people, they think I'm just one of them. You see, he's a local boy. There's the saying in English, a prophet is never respected in his own village. So like that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, there were so many people in Navadvip, they were thinking, you see, he's just one of us. What is he preaching to us? Who is this guy? They were thinking. So then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thought, I'll take sannyas, because that is the culture that everyone should bow down to a sannyasi. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thought that they're not respecting, I came to deliver everybody, but it's become opposite. They're disrespecting me. They're blaspheming me. So instead of delivering them, they'll go to hell more. So let me take sannyas, and everyone, they will be duty bound, whatever they may have thought of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu previously to his taking sannyas. When one takes sannyas, everyone is duty bound to bow down before a sannyasi. So just Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, if they think of me as a sannyasi, they'll bow down, but actually I'm God. So by bowing down to me, they'll get the benefit of bowing down to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. In this way they can be, how else to deliver these people? So in the same way, Bali Maharaj, living at home, his family members are thinking, my husband, my father, our cousin, and the people in general, the demons he's living with, they're thinking, our king. So anyway, in this way, they respect him, they may serve him, follow his orders, without understanding his exalted position as a great devotee, still they're benefiting. Imperceptible benefit is there. Hare Krishna. Any question? So, Hare Krishna. What is it?
They married still. Like, so such a devotee.
Yeah.
They don't take 2 years also. But they pay all the relations,
Yeah, married for 60 years.
and Indians also.
What about taking sannyas? You should go and say, hey, what are you doing? You're still living at home. You're so attached to your home, you'll come back in the same home. If you're very pious, you can come back as your grandson. If you're not sinful. But then everyone in this age is sinful, so you'll come, if you're attached to the one home, you come back in the same home, you may be born as a snake or a rat or something like this. In the same home. People don't know. There's a question. How did Bhagavatam start or occur? What is Bhagavatam? Bhagavatam is the narration of the pastimes, qualities of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. How did it start? Bhagavatam is eternal, as the Supreme Lord is eternal. So it may appear to have a beginning, just like Krishna appears to be born. But actually Bhagavatam is eternal. Krishna's pastimes may be a little bit different every time, may happen a little differently. So Bhagavatam, that may also be explained a little bit differently in different times. But actually Bhagavatam is eternal. Hare Krishna. We are finishing. Hare Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.